Hello, today we want to talk about when a research topic is researchable. As students, most times you talk about your research topic and your supervisor is always asking you, this topic is not researchable, this topic is not researchable. What makes a topic researchable? When a topic is researchable, primarily what you look out for is that the research topic has two variables, the dependent variable and the independent variable. All right. So when we say the topic is researchable, we mean that primarily every topic that is researchable has variables to be considered within that topic. All right. These variables should stand out clearly for anyone that reads that topic to pick them. All right. Now, also, the topic must have a dependent and independent variable, like I said earlier. An independent variable is a variable that is changed or controlled in a scientific experiment to test the effects on the dependent variable. All right. Now, while the dependent variable is a variable being tested and measured in a scientific experiment, so that is the difference between the two. There are specific criteria to ascertain that a topic is researchable. All right. The first is that look at that topic carefully and reflect exactly what is achievable within the topic. Look at the topic clearly and see if it is clear and it is concise. When we say by clear, you understand clearly what the topic is after, what the topic is going to be seeking to achieve. Now, the topic has to be precise and unambiguous. The topic has to be original. Okay, it has to be original. That's original either in purpose or in process or in both. Okay, so the topic has to be original. Now, that topic has to contribute to knowledge. Now, in the body of knowledge, generally in the research area, that particular topic should be able to contribute something to the body of knowledge. Okay, let's say, for example, let's take a random topic and analyze it. For example, we have a topic like this: fiscal autonomy in the service delivery in the local government in Nigeria. Okay, what's wrong with this topic? What's wrong with this topic? Now, remember what we said earlier. Your topic has to reflect exactly what is achievable. It has to be clear and concise. It has to be precise and unambiguous. It has to be original. All right? And by original, we mean that it has to be original either in purpose or in process or in both. Now, the same thing. Does the topic contribute to knowledge? So this particular topic we highlighted now, fiscal autonomy in the service delivery in local government in Nigeria, is this topic researchable? First of all, let's subject it to the initial test we talked about. Does this topic have a dependent and independent variable? Now let's start. The topic, for example, if you look at the topic clearly, the topic lacks a delimiting study area. To study the entire local government in Nigeria is not achievable. All right. The topic is not clear and concise. So students should consider reformulating the topic either this way: fiscal autonomy and local government service delivery in Nigeria. Now we have the two variables standing out: a study of local governments in a particular state or in a particular region or something like that. Or you use the word effect of fiscal autonomy on local government service delivery in Nigeria. A study of local governments in maybe Anambra State, Enugu State, Taraba State, Gombe State, or what have you. Okay, now the intention of the researcher by so doing becomes clearer and easily understood. Okay, let me in summary go back to what I have just talked about in this instance. Okay, now we said when a topic is researchable, that topic must have two variables. The primary thing about the topic is that the variables should be considered, and that variables that are being considered should be the independent and the dependent variable. We mentioned that earlier. And we said that an independent variable is a variable that is changed or controlled in a scientific experiment to test its effect or the effect on the dependent variable. We also said that the dependent variable is that variable being tested and measured in a scientific experiment. All right, thank you for listening, and I look forward to see you in my subsequent class. All right, thank you.